Hello, I'm Haley Wise, registered dietitian with Chartwell's K-12. So I know there's a lot of questions about who's behind the menus, and I can answer that for you. It's actually an executive chef who lives here locally.
I am the chef for 16,000 children, 16,000 babies. My babies, all my babies I get to feed every day.
I want you to know that the school meals here at Florence School District 1 are based upon the Dietary Guidelines for Americans. But it's so important that parents know that their students, their children can participate in the school meal program here at Florence School District 1 at no cost to them.
We at the district are serving up happy and healthy meals.
It's really good for school food, and I really like it. I rated it a 9.5 out of 10, and that is really high on my rating because all I like is my mom's food. So that's pretty good. High five.
Thank you.
It's good. I don't even eat corn, but I'll eat this corn. Like it's really good. So I'll rate it like a 9.9.
9.9.
It's juicy. It's
You said come back.
it's a nice blend of flavors.
I'll definitely be back.
It's bomb, yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, we just get a little. There we go.